Hello gamers, Fortnite fans, future investors, and InvestNest squad. What if I told you that investing in Fortnite V-Bucks and investing in the stock market have more in common than you think? And what if you could use the same strategies you use to maximize your V-Bucks to build real-life wealth? Let's dive into this epic financial battle. Today I'll give you a crash course on stock market investment using Fortnite gaming analogies and V-Bucks. First, let's break it down. V-Bucks are the Fortnite currency you buy to get cool skins, weapons, and battle passes. The stock market is like Fortnite's shop. Different stocks, or investments, are like skins or weapons. Some are hot, and some lose value over time. The trick is knowing when to buy, hold, or sell, just like V-Bucks. Now let's talk about different types of investments. Stocks. Buying a stock means you own a small part of a company, like having an exclusive Fortnite skin. Buying a share in the company will make you called shareholder. ETFs, exchange-traded funds. These are like battle bundles. They contain multiple stocks in one package. This is when you don't need to invest in one industry. You can invest in multiple ones, which will reduce the risks if one industry underperforms or is subjected to sudden shade-reducing risk. It's like buying multi-flavored ice cream if you can't decide which one to pick. Index funds. These track a whole group of stocks, like the S&P 500, which tracks the top 500 companies in the US. Investing in index funds lets you grow your money over time, just like leveling up in Fortnite. It's like buying every ice cream flavor the shop has. Now let's talk strategy. Imagine you have 1,000 V-Bucks. You could either spend it all on one skin, or invest in the battle pass and unlock tons of rewards over time. This is exactly how the stock market works. Instead of chasing hype stocks that might crash and lose their value quickly, long-term investors spread their money wisely into stocks that grow over time. Just like leveling up in Fortnite. Ever been stuck in a storm in Fortnite? 1 second you're winning, the next, boom, you're down. The stock market is the same, it moves up and down, sometimes unpredictably. It can be impacted by several factors like inflation, consumer habit changes, new trends, or technological advancements. But just like in Fortnite, the pros don't panic. They prepare, adjust, and keep playing. The key is staying in the game for the long term. In Fortnite, you level up by gaining XP. The more you play, the stronger you get. In investing, we have something called compound interest. It's like XP for your money. When you invest in a company and that company makes profits as a partial owner. Shareholder, you also receive your share of the profits. This share is called dividends. Over time, your earnings keep growing with the amounts you invested, forming a compounding effect that grows the money exponentially. But the key is that you have to wait for an extended period and grow on top of previous earnings, just like stacking XP. If you invested $1,000 in the S&P 500 and it grew at an average annual return of 10%, including reinvested dividends, the power of compounding would significantly boost your returns. Here's how it works over 10 years. Year 1. $1,000 grows by 10%. $1,100. Year 2. $1,100 grows by 10%. $1,210. Year 3. $1,210 grows by 10%. $1,331. Year 4. $1,331 grows by 10%. $1,464. Year 5. $1,464 grows by 10%. $1,611. Year 6. $1,611 grows by 10%. $1,772. Year 7. $1,772 grows by 10%. $1,949. Year 8. $1,949 grows by 10%. $2,144. Year 9. $2,144 grows by 10%. $2,358. Year 10. $2,358 grows by 10%. $2,594. Instead of simply adding $100, which is the average annual return, each year, $1,000 plus $100 x 10 years equals $2,000, reinvesting dividends and compounding boosts the total to $2,594. Imagine if you waited 20 or 30 years. You do the math and comment with your calculation results in the comments sections. That's the power of compounding. This is why long-term investing in an index like the S&P 500 with dividends reinvested can significantly grow wealth. Let's dive deeper into dividends. What if you could earn free V-Bucks every month just for owning a battle pass? That's what dividends are. Some companies pay investors part of their profits just for holding their stocks as a reward for investing in their company, and to keep them committed to hold the shares owned or even to buy more shares to gain more dividends. The dividends are paid on a quarterly or annual basis. You can reinvest dividends to buy more stocks, just like saving up V-Bucks for better skins. The more profit the companies make, the more dividends will be paid. Imagine if you're holding 1,000 shares and the company pays $1.5 to $2 per share. This way, you will get $1,500, $2,000 in dividends every quarter. How cool! In Fortnite, having great aim gives you the edge. But imagine having a financial aimbot that helps you pick the best investments. That's what AI tools like robo-advisors and stock analytics software do. They analyze market trends, risk levels, and stock potential, helping you maximize your profits just like aiming for a victory royale. Here's how to win at investing just like in Fortnite. Don't FOMO. Don't buy into hype stocks the same way you don't buy every new skin. Diversify. Just like building different weapons in Fortnite, spread your investments across different stocks. Play the long game. The best players in Fortnite grind to get better, and the best investors keep investing over time. If you can strategize V-Bucks, you can crush investing. Want more tips on turning gaming skills into money-making strategies? Subscribe to InvestNest and level up your financial game today.